How it works. Whoa! You didn't put your finger in there, just the soap dropped in there and it really separated. So yeah, that one really separated.
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. And today we're going to be doing a pepper and soap experiment. What you need is some water, 4 bowls. If you're doing 3, you need 3 bowls. If you're doing 2, you need 2 bowls. If you're doing 1, you need 1 bowl. And you need some pepper, and you need some soap, and a napkin.
All right, and we have what?
3 surprise or secret spices.
Yeah, so we know the pepper works, but there may be 3 other spices or seasonings that you don't know that work, and we're going to reveal it today. All right, let's get started. All right, now Corban's going to pour water into all the bowls.
Okay. Now I'm going to pour the water into one.
Okay, we're gonna do our first seasoning. So it's gonna be pepper. So Corban's gonna put the pepper in the bowl here. Keep going, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
More.
All right, I think that's enough.
I want more.
That's enough, Corban.
Okay.
All right, hold on. Now I'm gonna put some soap on his finger here. Hold your finger out straight. Just a drop. All right. Whoa, look how that's separated.
Look,
cool.
pretend those were germs.
Yeah.
And it's separated.
Yeah, so that pepper,
Which is the
that's
germs.
Yes, and pepper has oil in it actually, and a lot of dirt has oil in it. So that's why it works. All right, let's go to our next spice. Good job. Okay, the next spice would be sage.
Ground sage.
Ground sage. All right, and then Corban's going to put some in there.
And the last secret spice is going to be a big one because it goes fast.
Yeah, the last secret spice is really going to be a big one. All right, that's good. Okay. All right, now I'm going to put the dish detergent on Corban's finger here.
Okay.
All right. All right, it's separated. Yeah, look at that. Whoa. And there's actually something called sage oil. So sage also has spice.
It was like this, with those bunches right here, and it's like poof.
Yeah, actually sage has oil in it. I'm sorry, not spice. But yeah, so that's why that's separated, because sage has oil in it. All right, good job. Let's go to the next one.
And wash our hands.
Yes. Okay, Corban, what's our next spice? Can you show it to us?
Ground cinnamon.
Ground cinnamon. Okay. Put some in there.
Put some.
All right, I think that's good. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna put some on your hand here. Just a drop. All right, try that, see what happens. Whoa, cinnamon really separated, and that has oil in it too. Cool.
So fun.
So fun. All right, now we're ready for the last one, which is the biggest one.
It's gonna be like poof.
Poof. All right.
It's gonna be like a frisbee.
All right. Our last surprise spice is,
sesame seed.
Or seasoning would be
sesame.
Sesame seed.
There's something called Sesame Street.
Yeah, Sesame Street. All right. Pour some in there. All right. I think that's good. All right. And now I gotta get the soap.
Oh.
Okay, now I'm gonna put some soap on Corban's finger. Hold your finger flat, please. Flat. All right, let's see how it works. Whoa! You didn't put your finger in there, just the soap dropped in there and it really separated. So yeah, that one really separated.
It was like the soap just dropped in there.
Yeah.
Like, poof!
Oh wow. So yeah, that one really separated. And so there's something called sesame oil. And so sesame seeds have a lot of oil in it.
Now we're gonna pour the
Yeah.
sesame seed.
Yeah, we're gonna try it again since Corban didn't get his finger all the way in. So we're gonna try it again. So we're gonna pour sesame seed in.
More.
Okay, I think that's good. All right, now I'm gonna put some soap on his finger. Hold your finger. Yeah.
Very steady.
Hold it flat. All right, let's see what happens. Woo! Yay!
It went poof!
Yeah, poof. Cool. All right, so that is our experiment. It was
Thanks for watching Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. Bye!
Bye. And remember to wash your hands.
Yeah. We can do wash our hands now.
Yes.